Hello! In this video, we will review a 3D printing machine. The 3D printer has a massive build volume of 32 by 32 by 42 centimeters, equipped by the Geeetech Super Plate and full color LCD touchscreen. We present you the Geeetech A30. Unboxing the 3D printer's packaging box, there are layers of foam to ensure that there is no damage. And inside of this box, you will get the manual, bottom frame part, another box that contains some tools and extra components, the control box, and the vertical frame part. This machine comes in pre-assemble. That means when we assemble this machine, it will only take a few times. We recommend reading the instruction manual just to make sure that we're doing it right. Before we fire this thing up, we make sure all the screws and cables are tightened up and well organized. For the build plate, it takes time to reach its maximum temperature. It is normal on this machine because you're heating up a big area. This 3D printing machine has a recommended printing speed of 80 to 100 millimeters per second, a maximum temperature of 100 centigrade for the build plate and 250 centigrade for the extruder. This 3D printing machine is good out of the box when printing PLA material, but when it comes on printing ABS material, everything doesn't go well. The ABS material is not sticking with the build plate. Our suspicion for this is that the cold end fan of the extruder, the airflow of it flows directly below the extruder. The ABS material needs to cool down slowly, but the extra airflow cooling it down quickly before it sticks to the build plate. This huge black and blue 3D printer was a clone from famous Creality CR10 or CR10S, and it has a major improvement: the build volume, the dual Z-axis, the dual rail bed support, full color touchscreen, the Geeetech Super Plate. For the another test, we printed out this micro all-in-one 3D printer test by Mazda 107 on Thingiverse. The bridging goes well, but there are some oozing or stringing issue and can be fixed on your slicer setting. It also depends on the quality of your material, or you can easily remove it with a scraper. Here are some results printed on Geeetech A30. This is quick release mount for DSLR and some electronic enclosure. As you can see, there are scars on the top surface, which you can remove by turning off the combing in the Cora settings. We recommend this 3D printer for its price, ease of use, accuracy, performance, and especially the customer support that will try their best to satisfy your concerns and needs. This is the best 3D printer we have encountered so far.